How goes it? It's me, Jules, and I'm standing right here in Madisonville, Louisiana, home to Fairview Riverside State Park. Just out enjoying nature, maybe checking out some historic locations. Starting with Otis House Museum, built in 1885. I believe it's by appointment only, and it seems like they're currently not operating today. If you look straight back, you can see the old house. Well, it seems like with the current unpleasantness going on right now in the world, the museum is shut down until further notice. So we won't be touring it today, but I might get a few drone shots if I'm lucky. So the original owner of this house, William Theodore Jay, made his fortune as an entrepreneur for the sawmill industry, providing lumber to New Orleans in the past to build the homes back then. Later on, he sold this house to two brothers, who then sold it to a guy named Frank Otis, who eventually donated it to the state. So here's a steam-powered sawmill produced back in 1847. There were only 82 of these in circulation, and this is the only known survivor of the 82. Not sure the stages of things, how the sawmill was used, but you can see machinery in the background. There's a saw back there. Very old stuff. Well, I've got to run. I hope you enjoyed this small tour of Fairview Riverside State Park. And if you did, please like and subscribe. And remember, what you do today matters.